Hi guys, this is a 13A single electrical wall switch socket. I fixed the top cover with screws. The screw socket on the cover is broken. In this video, I will show you how to reuse any type of electrical wall switch socket that is damaged like this. Keep watching the video. See, the screw hole is detached from the top cover. I will solve it easily. But must be followed that replace the broken part on its actual hole. Please you can follow me, like, how I replacing the broken part. A little back and forth will ensure that the broken part is properly placed on the cover. It's super glue. I used 502 instant super glue dropping tube nozzle on its head. Super glue stays good for a long time without drying out using this. I show in this video how to collect it. If it does not drop easily, then you have to cut its head is slightly. I placed the broken part on the cover and added a few drops of super glue. Now I spread the cement powder as needed with a small spoon around the broken part. Now I dropped sufficient amount of super glue on it. Then I waited for 5 to 10 minutes. See, wall switch socket has been recycled or reusable. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment if necessary.